In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral YouTube thumbnails with VidIQ. We all know that a captivating thumbnail can make a huge difference in attracting viewers to your content. So let's dive into the process of making eye-catching thumbnails that will boost your video's visibility. First things first, you'll need to head over to VidIQ. If you haven't already, open your web browser and go to the VidIQ website. Once you're there, log in or sign up if you haven't yet. The VidIQ platform is designed to assist you in optimizing and managing your YouTube content, and today we're focusing on its powerful thumbnail creation tools. After you've logged in, look for the More Tools option. This is your gateway to a variety of features that VidIQ offers. Click on More Tools to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is packed with useful tools, but today we're interested in the one that says Thumbnails. Go ahead and click on Thumbnails. Once you've clicked on Thumbnails, you'll find a search bar at the top of the page. This search bar is where you can input your ideas or concepts for your thumbnail. To get started, think about the theme or the main idea of your video and enter a description that captures the essence of what you want your thumbnail to convey. Be creative and descriptive. This will help the AI understand what you're aiming for and generate options that align with your vision. Now, if you have a specific image from your video that you want to enhance and use as a thumbnail, VidIQ gives you the option to upload it. Simply attach the image and VidIQ will work its magic. This is particularly useful if you have a key moment or scene in your video that you want to highlight. Once you've either described your thumbnail or uploaded an image, VidIQ will use its AI capabilities to generate a selection of thumbnails based on your input. This feature leverages artificial intelligence to create visually compelling thumbnails that can attract more viewers. You'll be able to see different versions and choose the one that best matches your style and the message you want to send. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have a set of professional-looking thumbnails that are ready to help your videos stand out on YouTube. Remember, the right thumbnail can significantly impact your video's success, so take the time to experiment with different ideas and see what works best for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your YouTube channel. Happy thumbnail creating, and see you in the next video.